Hey YouTube, it's Jasmine and I am here in San Juan, Puerto Rico. I'm on location, so I'm gonna go interview the owner of the 16th century property that I'm staying at. It's an Airbnb and I can show you, it's a really old home. You see there's like a little loft space up top, little kitchenette, but it's very cute and quaint. So we're gonna go and meet with the owner. So stay tuned for this video.
To my home. Yeah, let's go out here where there's some light.
Oh, this is lovely. Oh, this is nice.
So,
Okay, so we are on location in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and we are here with Hernan. We are at his Airbnb, and he wanted to just give a little tour about the history of the property.
yeah, this house was commissioned to build about 350 years ago by a guy in Spain. But the thing is, when they built the place, he never made it down here. So it's been passed on to different hands, to the government, to the church. It's been all sorts of businesses. When I first got here in 1968, this place was occupied by 14 families living here.
Wow.
And part of the deal that my mother made with the cardinal, who, the church owned this place, was to find a home for a nice home for each person, each family that lived here. And that was the beginning of our time here. I have moved on to other places to live and came back after my parents died, and now restoring the place. And
Okay.
it's a big project, and I started out with the studio where Jasmine stayed and the one across the hall,
Okay.
and eventually we'll move in and finish this place. But it's been a lot of work, but I'm very happy to have all of you come around and check it out.
Yeah, so this building dates back to the early 16th century.
Yeah.
Okay. And it has a lot of the original.
Yeah, all these beams are original wood. All the walls obviously are all colonial walls.
Okay.
And
Wow.
yeah, I'm gonna redo all that.
Okay.
And
Yeah, this will be beautiful once you're finished.
yes, and I live up there. I fixed up that room for me, and that goes way back there. And yeah, the house has a lot of history, and of course I love it, which is why I'm spending all my money on this.
Well, it's a good
And,
investment.
but I'm doing the Airbnb thing to help fund it, and also I like people like Jasmine and her
Thank
husband.
you.
Yeah, and yeah, so just come on down. We're always happy to receive great guests from the States.
Okay, did you want to show us the apartment number 2?
Yeah, okay.
'Cause I got a number 1
Yeah,
already.
it's kind of dirty because the people just checked out.
Okay.
Yeah. Just follow me. Come on in. Yeah, apartment number 2 is a little different from apartment number 1.
Okay.
And
It's studio style.
yeah, it's as you can see, it's also very old, and it's got a bathroom in the back, closets, all the same amenities and the same price as apartment 1, but it's more spread out.
Okay.
Okay. So anyway, it's got a little kitchen too,
Okay. A little kitchenette.
and bathroom in the back, and little area.
Okay. So it's spacious. So if you're ever in San Juan, Puerto Rico, look up Hernan
Yay! Only Hernan.
on Airbnb.
Yeah. So thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much. Thanks.